The news with Luke Radel.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the Live at 5 News Hour. I'm Luke Radel, in for Kristen. Jason is on assignment in Cooperstown, and we'll get to him in a moment. But first, News Channel 2 has reviewed hundreds of pages of documents from the past 6 months in the Kaitlyn Conley case. We found this 7-page filing from May 28th submitted to the court by then County Attorney Amanda Cortese-Kolasz. In it, she writes on behalf of the Oneida County Sheriff's Office for the evidence in Conley's case to be unsealed, and cites another case to bolster her argument, the matter of New York City Police Department versus the District Attorney of Kings County. She says the case took place in 2001, but it didn't. In fact, it never happened at all. The case she cited was fake, and it's not the only one. That's why it's your top story tonight. Oneida County Executive Anthony Picenti announced last Wednesday that Cortese-Kolasz had abruptly resigned as county attorney after she, quote, made a professional error and took responsibility for it. Picenti also said that she is, quote, an excellent attorney who has served my administration well for many years. She will continue to serve this government in a different capacity. A source in the sheriff's office echoes that sentiment, telling me she is, quote, phenomenal to work with. Though Picenti won't say what her professional error was, court records show Cortese-Kolasz submitted an initial filing on May 28th and a supplemental filing on June 5th in connection to unsealing records, both of which contained inaccurate citations. In a closed-door court hearing on June 10th, Judge Bernadette Clark called her filings, quote, an unforced and unquestionably baffling error on the county attorney's part. The court's review of her June 5th filing found 6 cases cited that just do not exist, 2 statutes and 3 cases quoted that do not contain those quotes, among other errors. Her June 5th filing was stricken from the court's record, and Cortese-Kolasz was ordered by Clark to, quote, not file any further papers in connection with the matter. Because the June 5th filing was stricken from the court's record, it has not been made public. News Channel 2 has submitted a Freedom of Information request with Oneida County for the filing. The county executive, sheriff, and district attorney have all declined comment on the record. Cortese-Kolasz could not be reached for comment, nor could her newly appointed replacement, Mary Angela Scalzo. Picenti spokesman Phil Vano texted me this morning to say, quote, no one from this government will be commenting on the former county attorney or the Conley case. We do not comment on personnel matters or pending litigation. Coming up at 6, what caused the county attorney to file the unsealing request in the first place, and why Judge Clark found the district attorney's office presented sealed evidence to a grand jury in violation of her court order. Those details ahead, next hour. And we'll post